Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new smartphone gimbal to show you guys. It's a premium 3-axis gimbal for smartphones made by this company called Dobot, and the model of the gimbal is Rigiet. It comes in this box packing. Let me just show you. You've got the Rigiet logo here and a picture of the gimbal with an iPhone. It says Rigiet, stabilize your vision. The packing looks quite nice. Let's see what's written over here. You've got the features of this gimbal. It has auto track function, live stream mode, slow motion, time lapse and panorama. This gimbal also supports action camera guys, so you can use the same gimbal for both phones and action cameras. That is awesome. Let's see what's at the back. It has sophisticated tracking algorithms, 3 advanced motors with 0.01 degree precision. Wow, I'm really looking forward to see how it performs. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Dobot for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's slide out the top cover. We have a black box inside. Let's unbox it and check it out. Oh, we've got a case over here. It comes just like the other gimbals. Let's take it out. Oh wow, it has a carbon fiber like design on it. You've got the Rigiet logo here. The quality of the case is very nice, feels really premium. Okay, let's keep it aside and see what else do we have in the box. We've got a big book over here. Oh my god, it's a user manual. It's so bulky. Make sure to read it for complete info on the product. Along with that, you have a strap for the case and few micro USB cables to connect the gimbal to the smartphone. So these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's check out the Rigiet gimbal. The gimbal comes in this case. The quality of the case is good. It looks really nice. Let's open it and check out the gimbal. So here it is guys, the Dobot Rigiet 3-axis gimbal for smartphones. Let's take it out. Oh, what's this? It has a cover attached to it. Looks like we have some cables and stuff in it. We'll just keep them aside for now and check out the gimbal. So this is how the gimbal looks like. It weighs about 480 grams. The gimbal looks nice. The movements feel buttery smooth. You've got the Rigiet logo here. The build quality looks very good. The body is completely made of aluminum and definitely feels premium in the hand. You've got a unique 5-way navigation joystick. The movement is smooth and the joystick is also clickable. Below that you've got a record button and an LED indicator at the top. On the right side we've got a zoom control switch and a mode change switch above that. On the left side you've only got a micro USB port. This is how the back looks like. It has a 1/4 inch thread at the back so you can fix any accessories on it. And this is the handlebar guys. It has a nice leather-like texture on it, so you can have a good grip while shooting. Let's check out the bottom. There's nothing over here. They should have actually included a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom so you could fix it to a tripod or a monopod. The build quality of this gimbal is solid. It has these nice CD-like pattern on all the 3-axis motors. It gives the gimbal a very premium look. The pan axis has a rotation range of 300 degrees. The roll axis has 270 degrees and the tilt axis also has 300 degrees. And the payload it can take is from 100 grams to 230 grams. This is the phone holder guys. It also has markings over here and has a micro USB port here for charging the smartphones on the go while shooting. This gimbal has an old school phone holder with an adjustment screw. You need to loosen it up to fix your phone. The overall quality of the gimbal is really good. Let me keep it aside and show you what we got in this cover. We have a USB to micro USB cable, a 1/4 inch screw and a hand strap for the gimbal. So these were all the items we got in the case. Now let me show you the battery compartment on this gimbal. The battery compartment can be easily opened like this. Let me remove the sticker. The Rigiet gimbal runs on a single 18650 battery and it comes pre-installed in it. This is the battery guys. This is how it looks like. While inserting, always make sure that the positive terminal goes inside the compartment, just like this. And now close the compartment with this cap. There you go guys, you're all ready to use the gimbal. I'll just show you how to fix your phone in it and tell you all of its modes and features. Fixing your smartphone is very easy guys. You've got an adjustment screw over here. You just need to loosen up the frame first. Once that's done, take your phone and place it over there. It supports phones up to a thickness of 8 mm and the payload it can take is from 100 grams to 230 grams. So once after placing the phone, tighten up the screw so it fixes firmly on the gimbal. Now you're all ready to shoot with the Dobot Rigiet gimbal. Let's power it on. You can do that by pressing the record button for about 2 to 3 seconds. There you go, it has turned on. The motors on it are very quick and responsive. The gimbal also feels quite comfortable to hold in the hand. Let me show you the navigation joystick. As you can see, the tilt axis motor is very quick. The pan axis is also smooth, but the range is only 300 degrees. The Dobot Rigiet has 3 modes on it. The first one is pan follow mode, where the tilt and roll axis are locked and the gimbal follows only the pan axis. The second mode is a lock mode, where all the 3 axes are locked, and the third mode is called the full follow mode. You can also switch easily between vertical and horizontal orientation modes just by tilting the handle on the gimbal. Now let's check out how the gimbal performs. This is a video sample shot on my Galaxy S7 without the gimbal. I'm just walking casually, and as you can see, there's a lot of shake in the video and it doesn't look good. Now let's check the same clip shot with the Dobot Rigiet gimbal. The video looks smooth and stabilized on the gimbal. The shake has been reduced by a great extent. I won't say there is zero shake, but it's much better than before. Now let's run and see how the gimbal performs. This video was shot without the gimbal on my S7. It looks very shaky and is completely useless. Now let's check the same clip shot with the Rigiet gimbal. The gimbal was doing a good job. The shake was reduced to a great extent. The video footage looks smooth, but I feel that the roll axis motor could have been a bit better. You can see that in the video. Coming to the battery life, the Dobot Rigiet has a single 18650 battery with a 3340 mAh capacity. As it only has a single battery, the max battery life I could get was around 4 hours. But nothing to worry guys, you can also connect a power bank to it and charge the gimbal on the go. One more nice thing is that this gimbal can also charge your smartphone, so you don't run out of juice while shooting videos. The Dobot Rigiet also supports app control through Bluetooth. You need to download this app called Rigiet on your phone. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. You can do a lot with this app, like shoot motion time-lapse videos, panorama shots, slow motion, and also has subject tracking. All of the app features were working fine. So that was my review on the Dobot Rigiet 3-axis gimbal for smartphones. It's a premium range gimbal. The build quality is very nice, supports almost all the smartphones, plus it can also be used for action cameras. It also has nice features in the Rigiet app. Everything is fine, only the roll axis performance need to be improved a bit. It costs about 14,000 rupees. I felt it was a bit expensive. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.